Yo, welcome to Smallmouth Crush. You are not going to believe it. Today, we are going to have an epic journey on the Susquehanna River, the famous Susquehanna River, for some monster smallmouth. And we got the best dude on the river right here. Joe, what's happening, man?
What's up, guys?
Are you ready to get him?
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, that's all coming up. Hey, this video is a little bit longer, about 25 minutes, but it is well worth it, so please watch till the end, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Wow, the Susquehanna River. You know what you need on the Susquehanna River? You need two things. You need a boat that can travel in 6 inches of water or less, get up to the spots where no other boat can go, and you need a dude that knows how to drive that boat. And I am so excited for this show. I had such a great time. This is the first time ever getting in a jet boat. This thing was badass, man. Unreal. It was so much fun whipping around the river in that thing and catching bass. I mean, we were literally in inches of water. Boulders to my right, concrete slabs to my left. It didn't matter. We went over this stuff. Man, this thing is a beast. I mean, this goes places a regular bass boat would never be able to go. I mean, unreal. Hold on tight. Let's get up there and let's go catch some fish. All right, guys, we just pulled up to an area here. We're gonna just work it with a couple different random baits, see what we can find. We're hooked up first fish. Get my butt kicked right away. Not for long. Not for long, boys. Oh, wow. There you go. This guy, the Get Bit Bait tube, brand new color. He just mailed me yesterday. Dark melon, red flake. Legit. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Get Bit Bait tube. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Just liking that tube. Shoot it all up. Oh, nice good one in the corner on the tube. We're starting to catch them already this morning. Few fish on tubes, top water. Joe had a real good one on that Sammy, and I thought, you know what, let's try the old Alabama rig. It's been a while since I had a chance to throw this thing, and the conditions looked right. Got a lot of current, a lot of bait fish. This is the big old Alabama rig, okay? A lot of spinners, willow leaf blades, and swim baits on that. And wouldn't you know, I catch a smallie on it. Damn, that's how you hook a smallie. Overkill, but it works. It works.
It's not a giant, but it's alright.
Yeah. Rig. Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah. What? Dude, this is a muskie. Pretty sure. It's a little muskie.
Oh yeah?
It looked like it when it came up. It looked long and skinny. Maybe not. It looked way different. There it is.
A snag muskie.
He ate that sucker. Dude, that's perfect fish tank size.
A bite-sized one.
That is a bite-sized one. That's a baby. They're pretty though.
Yeah.
I'm sure you catch plenty of them, right?
Oh yeah. Well, we got on some good fish, and we decided we wanted to check out another part of the river. And so instead of driving the boat down to another section of the river a few miles downriver, we decided to go back to the launch, put it back on the trailer, and then drive down to another launch. And it's just really cool. I mean, we're really like here we're running in inches of water, places that a normal fiberglass boat will never be able to get to. And we have full access to the river with this jet boat. And a lot of times the river's actually fairly high for this time of year. and has been a lot lower in years past. That would be really cool to see. It looked low enough to me today, that's for sure. The launch, and you see the kayakers there in front of us in the water. And normally you back a boat up right here, but Joe was facing the river with his vehicle. Apparently, he has a rock truck as well. Apparently, it can go and drive in the water. You'll see what I mean in a second here.
All right, so we decided to check out another little area. Had to drive through some water. Starting to rain, but I think we get on some good fish, hopefully.
Probably wear glasses and be careful. I have a snag here. I have a dirty jig, swim jig snagged up.
Whoa!
Look at that. Look at the speed of that when I popped it loose. Look at that yellow swim jig right there. Just shoot through. I don't know how fast that thing's going, but you got to be careful. I mean, that could have taken out a testicle or two. I mean, look at Joe's face right there. He's like, what is going on?
I think it's a carp. Feels like a good one.
It looks like a good one.
It's running me, ran me all the hell around.
I guess. Never seen anything like it.
What is this thing doing? Might be another muskie. God. This thing pops off, I'm gonna be pissed. It's a bass.
It's a bass. It's just fighting pretty.
Probably like a 2.5 pound.
Yeah. He just thinks he's big. I mean, they fight good in this current, you know.
Not bad at all. I thought that fish was gonna be a heck of a lot bigger.
Right.
So we just kind of worked down the shoreline. You can see it's real super shallow, and just trying to find a active school of fish. And we did eventually run into a few more.
Get it?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No, it didn't. What?
so I apologize. The audio, I had the wireless mics out today, and I must have had something not working right on them.
No idea how big
Because
this
the sound was a little muffled, and
they run like that.
we're a little off sync here. I do apologize for that.
Not that it's a giant. Oh, there's another one behind it. Eagle eyes. Just like that. It's like having a little breastbone back in your lung.
Yes.
Conor McGregor could have used one of these in like the 7th round. That's a chunk, dude.
Yeah, that's good. It's a good smallie.
It's like a solid, almost 3. That was a 3-pounder.
Yeah, we'll call it 3.
All day long.
We'll call that one 3.
Did you?
Yeah,
You didn't.
I sure did.
Is it a good one?
Yeah, that's all right.
Nice.
It's okay. We'll take them.
Fun real estate. What would have happened if I wouldn't have crashed my boat?
I don't know. He's so big he can't even jump.
I'll take a picture.
Well, they.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
No, he didn't.
Done.
Dude, is that another rusty hook?
No. But he bit the get bit grub. Grub time.
Probably shouldn't be talking about that one. We got another one here, folks. Another good fish out here on the Susquehanna.
There you go.
Was chasing bait around. I made a cast over there, caught it. Epic.
Epic
Puking up
catch.
Huge crayfish.
Man.
Dude, look at this. I think that's probably the crayfish it was chasing around. I think it might actually be puking up a tube also.
There you are.
Woot woot. Mine, it's a chode.
Okay, we found a few fish.
Finally got a couple.
There you go. Yeah.
That's a double?
Oh man. What? Nah, he's gonna want a picture though.
Dude, this one's big. All right, this is a better one for a double picture.
Oh, so I gotta hold on to this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
for a long time.
Oh
I don't know
jeez.
if I can get this one in. It's so damn big.
No, he's huge.
Is it big?
All right, while he's fighting that, I'm gonna throw this one back and get another one. Why? Because there's more in there.
Chubby chubs.
Man.
They're just jumping in the boat now.
Yeah, they are. We're on them. We're on to something real special here, guys.
Magic. Susky magic.
Man, a muskie would eat that.
That is the biggest chub you've probably ever seen on his channel.
Yes, it is. They like that Kitech jig today. Today's all about the Kitech jig. Nah.
Hey, that's a good one.
Okay.
Look at what he puked up.
Nice. That's a hypertail grub. What? I didn't throw white today.
Dude, he just puked that up.
All right, we need to take a look at that.
Can you believe that? What's up with these fish, man?
Let me see that. That is a hypertail. Oh, man.
He did that, didn't he?
Yeah, can you figure that out, Mr. Guide? I'm having problems.
Do our best.
Mm-hmm.
Is this one of these rusty hooks?
No.
Rusty scupper. Oh, man, how does that happen? How the heck?
We got problems, guy.
Here we go.
All right, so... All right, let me tell you guys something. This is messed up. So this fish puked up get bit baits, hypertail grub in white, and I did not throw one of these all day. Somebody on the Susquehanna River is throwing these grubs. Not cool.
I guess we're going to have to match the hatch. You got any more of them?
Yeah. There we go.
Let me take a picture.
Yep. I'm on them, dude, with this jig. I'm sorry. And they're all out in the middle there. Boom.
Okay. Got it. Oh man, another double. Well, we're finally starting to catch a few fish. I mean, in most parts of the country, that would be a legit day. Have you fished the Chesapeake Bay lately? I have. So you know what's kind of interesting about this river, what I didn't expect was, even though I have the costas on, I have the, it's cloudy out, but these fish blend into this bottom so well. And I thought I'd be able to see them, but you're not seeing them. They just blend in, which I find is very unusual. Yeah. And they're in such shallow water, a foot. All right, so you guys saw us catch a variety of fish on different baits today, from the A-rig to the Z-Man plastics to the Get Bit Baits grub, tube. Oh, I'm throwing a Kitech jig that I'm not supposed to show on camera, so I'm just gonna whip it back out there. And I got a little Japan trilla. Oh, I fish bait from Japan. We got on a tire pattern. Yeah, I like the tire pattern. Oof. And the beer bottle. Didn't you have a beer bottle pattern? Little guy. Say what? Ben, you only gave me like 4 of those jigs and I'm down to 2. The secret ones I'm not supposed to show on camera. They were really good. This is your line you gave me. 10.
All right, so we just had an awesome day on the Susquehanna. It was my first time in like a real fishing rig instead of a canoe.
On a river.
Yeah. Well, I've been here before. I went up to Uncle Joe's campground and rented a little canoe from him one
Johnny,
year.
yeah.
Yeah. Bearded guy.
Yeah, Johnny from Riverfront.
His minivan smelled like an ashtray.
Yeah, he upgraded since then.
Okay.
Yeah.
He shot me up here, dropped me off. Much better day. Good experience. This boat's awesome. You know what I mean?
It was a fun day.
It was.
We didn't tear him up the way I thought we would, but honestly, I mean, we did all right. We got under a decent bite right off the bat in the morning. We caught a couple fish on top water.
Yep.
We caught fish on a little bit of everything, you know.
Yeah.
Stuff on the bottom, stuff on the top, stuff mid-range.
Sure. I think the weather really screwed things up.
The weather definitely screwed stuff
Major
up.
cold front.
Hey, it's the tough days that show what kind of fisherman you really are.
Yeah.
Anybody can catch them on the easy days, especially out here. If you can catch them on, you know, have it put together a decent day out here on a screwy day, you know you're doing something right or you're onto something. And we did that today.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, so
Caught some good fish.
it was good. But yeah, follow me. Check me out on social media.
So your guide service is?
It's Susquehanna Smallmouth Guides. That's the name of the business. That's the name of the website, SusquehannaSmallmouthGuides.com. My name's Joe Raymond. The Instagram handle is Susquehanna Smallmouth Guide. You can look me up on Facebook as Susquehanna Smallmouth Guides, the business page, or my personal name, Joe Raymond. It's up to you. We got videos on YouTube, you know, running around out here in the jet boat. You know, fun stuff, fast-paced GoPro style editing, and yeah, I mean, we pretty much guide from ice out to ice on year-round. We're down for a few months over the winter, just getting tack on everything, caught back up, but you know, fishing's good out here. It's not hard to put people on fish.
Perfect.
Stay busy.
Yeah. No, I had a blast, guys. It was awesome. Hey, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments and likes below. It's SmallmouthCrush. Until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.
See you guys.